What's up YouTube? My name is Doc and welcome to my channel, and today I want to talk about something real quick because it took me all day to kind of figure this out. Did y'all see GameStop? It is insane. So basically what I want to get into is why did it go up? And it took me all day to kind of realize and understand what was going on. So if you appreciate this video, please hit the like button. It really helps the video out. But getting into it, long story short, all the big investing firms like on Wall Street, all were saying that GameStop was basically going to go bankrupt. It was sitting at about $5 and was heading its way down to $2. And what they did was that they shorted the stock. So they're counting on the stock to go down, and you may wonder why would they do this? So it all comes down to understanding what short is. Like I said, it's betting that the stock is going to go down, but how does it all work? Let's say there's two kids, one named Luke and one named Anakin. And Luke has a PSA 9 Charizard card, holograph. Then Anakin goes, "Hey Luke, can I borrow that Charizard for a while?" And Luke says, "Oh, why not? Go ahead, buddy." Anakin receives the Charizard card and he says, "Hey, I'll give you this back in 30 days. And Anakin's like, "Sure, whatever." So Anakin goes out and he sells this card for $500. So now this card's gone and now he has $500. In that 30-day span, all that Anakin really has to do is return a PSA 9 Charizard back to Luke. So all he's looking for is a cheaper Charizard card within that 30-day span. So let's say 7 days go by and someone's like, "Hey, I got a PSA 9 Charizard card for $300. He could then buy that card for $300 and then give the card back to Luke, and then the math works out where he just profited $200. So I hope that quick little example definitely helped out. It took me all day to kind of understand it and then quickly put it together here. So if you understood, let me know. And if you didn't, let's talk about it in the comments. So back to GameStop. So what it all comes down to is that the big banks went out and bought all these stocks from these brokerage and instantly sold it to the market. Now they owe the brokerage all these stocks. They don't care how they get these stocks, all they want is those stocks back. So whatever the time frame is, they have to find those stocks again, and they're trying to find them at a cheaper price than what they sold them for, so that way they can return the stocks and make a profit. And this is where Wall Street bets came in. Basically, it's just a bunch of retail investors just throwing money at the stock market, hoping something that'll stick, and sometimes rally together for certain stocks. Well, they did it with GameStop. So they knew that this time frame was coming to an end. Since there's only a certain amount of stocks in the stock market, Wall Street Bets was able to pull enough people to buy these stocks and raise up the price constantly. So with the price constantly rising, now the big banks don't have the opportunity to buy low anymore. So if everyone is refusing to sell, these banks don't have an opportunity to buy these stocks back. And the only way for them to buy these stocks back is to buy at a higher price or whatever the asking price are for. See, the banks, they still owe their stocks to the brokerage that they borrowed the stocks from. And now that they're paying significantly more money for this stock, they end up losing millions and millions of dollars. So here's the kicker. I actually did get into the stock. I didn't really make any profits because this is not my kind of style and it's not really investing in my opinion, but to each their own. And I don't regret that. I just wanted to get that experience, learn it for myself, and also share it to you guys so that way you know kind of how the stock market works in that area. So to kind of recap, I'm going to combine the analogy and what happened kind of together to kind of give you an idea. So Luke has a Charizard card. He gives that Charizard card to Anakin. Anakin then sells that card to the market. Now all Anakin has to do is just find a cheaper Charizard card just to give it back to Luke, so that way they can finish their agreement. But Dooku comes along and he buys all of the Charizard cards that are out there. And he knows that Anakin needs one before the 30-day time is up. So on the 30th day, he has no choice but to buy a card from Count Dooku for twice the price. So he buys it at $1,000 and he loses $500 because he gets the Charizard card and he has to give it back to Anakin. So that is pretty much what short selling is, all in kind of a weird little Star Wars mixed together. So all in all, thank you so much for watching. Remember, do your own research because I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy with a camera and recording in his living room. And if you want to support the channel, please play me in that sweet, sweet currency I call the like button. It really means the world to me. And also, become a subscriber, become a part of the family. Every subscription means the world to me, just like that like button. So I'll see you guys next time. Appreciate y'all for watching.